Friends, you got the thickness and the width, and this is the millimeter plate thickness, and L is this length of the weld that is to be found out. Length of weld. Friends, we are considering the case number 1 when the load is static. Friends, if you make this substitution of all these values, you will get this as 110 sigma tensile is load is 25 into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 0.707 into H is 15 into L, the length of the weld that is required to sustain this load. Friends, if you simplify this, you are going to get the length of the weld as 21.4 mm.